We're back and we are
Unboxalot.
Unboxalot. Nice. And what have we got today?
We've got Hotel Transylvania 2 toys from McDonald's.
Right, and we only got 4 of the 6, but we're going to pop right into opening them up. So the first thing is we've got number 2, who is Murray. And what's Murray?
I don't know. A mummy.
He's a mummy.
I don't know who Murray is. I don't watch.
We didn't see the movie. We just got a couple of the toys. So let's see what he does. Looks like he winds up here on the back.
He's supposed to walk sideways, but doesn't really look that way.
Yeah, he doesn't really walk sideways very well, does he?
Because his butt sort of drags.
Yeah, his legs aren't really long enough to do this. We're going to wind him up a little bit and see what we can make him do. He's moving a little bit.
Murray.
We'll just set Murray over here. He's number 2.
He's unsuccessful.
Now number 4 is Mavis.
Who's Mavis?
And let's open her up and see what Mavis is all about.
Mavis.
All right.
I know she does. She's a pullback.
A pullback, or also known as a friction, I guess not a friction car, a friction motorcycle. So you pull back Mavis, and then you let go, and she's supposed to go.
Wait, I can get her down.
There you go. Nice. So you just kind of wind her up like that. And that's Mavis, number 2.
And Mavis is there.
All right, now we've got number 5, who is Wayne.
Who's Wayne?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Wayne the Wolf. Wayne the Wolf.
He sure looks like Wayne the Wolf, doesn't he?
And he has some plastic.
Okay.
He has plastics even. Oh, it looks like his mouth is supposed to cut things.
Oh, okay. Wait. There's a little disc here.
Oh, it's supposed to shoot.
There with the Hotel Transylvania logo in it.
Wait, stop.
And if we look at the instructions, I see. So we've got a button. So let's get this little disc open.
The button is his hat. Hi, Murray.
Oh, there's actually 2 discs. So there's a couple here and
Can
nice patterns on them.
Can I shoot one?
And
how about we each shoot one?
all right.
I want to see.
And push the hat. Okay.
Where's my two?
Okay. And you push the hat. Okay, that one went a little farther, didn't it? So Wayne the Wolf spits things out of his mouth. Now we've got number 6, which is Dennis.
Dennis.
Dennis has some.
Dennis the disc.
Dennis has some weird Ronald McDonald looking hair. I don't know what's up with Dennis. Let's look at the instructions and see what Dennis is supposed to do.
Oh, his teeth.
Aha! So for Dennis here, when you pull down on his hand, his vampire fangs pop out. So that's Dennis. Let's put Wayne back there. Let's put Wayne back there.
Okay. Bye, Wayne.
And there's Wayne and his things. So these are our McDonald's Happy Meal toys from Hotel Transylvania 2. And we just thought we'd show you what we got. What do we think of those?
They're super Wayne-tastic.
Super fun, yeah. All right, so until next time, we are
Unboxalot.
Unboxalot,
Wayne.
and we'll see you later.